Hello everybody, it's Javier coming in with a quick video to elaborate on something I rolled out this past Wednesday night during our Wednesday night training webinar. And that is the business database that so many of you are so excited about, as am I. Now, as we know, schools are about to let out, or some have already let out for the summer, meaning that if all you do are schools, well then you're going to be out of luck until they return in the fall. This database gives you access to well over 1 million businesses that you can sort through to really target markets outside of schools, whether maybe you want to work with police, or maybe you want to work with, let's just say, attorneys who do estate planning, or medical offices, which are a great place to work because in most cases, none of these places offer benefits to their employees, and here you are offering a lunch and learn to show those employees how they can secure their financial future with no obligation or responsibility or cost to the clinic owners or the doctors themselves and so on. So this is a great way for you to prospect, but it also solves another problem, and that is saving you a ton of money. You see, the only way to target these specialized markets is by purchasing email lists, which I do all the time. Unfortunately, they can be expensive. I've got lists for principals, for police officers, for realtors, and so on. As a matter of fact, the last list I purchased was this past January, I believe, January 24th, and here's actually the email list receipt that I got, which was $1,600 for a one-time list. I made my money back, but still, the point is that that's not doable when you do that times, let's just say, 10 different industries. It's almost impossible for agents to do. This database that I'm sharing with you gives you the email address, the name, the phone number, the city, the website, and so on of millions of businesses across the US and 1.2 million in just California alone. So let me show you how it works in case you want to purchase access to this database. Simple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in, and you're going to log in by receiving credentials when you purchase access to this database. Now that I'm in, as you'll see there, it has all the states on the bottom of the screen. I'm in California, so I'm going to go to California. Now, it defaults to Arkansas because it's in alphabetical order, and as you can see, there's 39,000 records of businesses in Arkansas. I'm going to click on California. When I do that, it's going to reload, and I will tell you that this website can be a little slow because the database is so big. You just have to be patient. So now it's going to load up for the state of California, and there it is. And as you can see, there's a 1.2 million entries. But that's not good enough for me. I want to go after, let's just say, doctors, because like I said earlier, they make great candidates for our specialized markets campaign. So what I'm going to do is I can just go into the search table here and type in doctors, but that's almost too generic. What I would recommend, as you can see on the left-hand side, is to always use what's called the SIC, which is the Standardized Industrial Code, which every industry in the United States has a specific code with the IRS. Whether you're a life agent, whether you sell cars, or whether you're a realtor, there's an SIC code for everything that is made up of 4 main digits, and then usually there's 3 after that that break it down further as to what that it is that you do. So I'm just going to stick to this. Now, I don't know what the SIC code is for, let's just say, doctors or their clinics or their hospitals, so I'm going to go ahead and just Google it, and I'm going to put in Doctor SIC code, and there it is. And there it is, just like that. It says SIC code 8011, offices and clinics of doctors of medicine, and that's what I want. So I'm going to go back over here and type in 8011. No need to press enter at the end. You just simply stop typing and it goes to work. And like I said earlier, it does take a little bit of time because it's searching through 1.2 million entries, and there it is. So I was able to come up with 3,410 entries, and at this point, this is showing me 25 records per page. I can change this to whatever, 500, doesn't really matter. But what I would recommend for you to do is to simply export this very massive list. And the way you do that is you're going to go here where it says CSV, which is a comma separated value, which is a form of Excel. And when you do that with Excel, you are able to export it. And then once you export it, it'll look something like what you see right now on the screen. You can line it up by city, by zip code, by whatever you want. And as you can see, I have a bunch of them here because I'm going to zero in on specific geographic areas, and you can do that. So the best part about this is that we secured a deal for you that instead of you paying $1,000 or whatever per year, per month, or what have you, we can give you access to this very same database for only a one-time fee of $99. Usually they charge per month, or you can buy a lifetime membership that's going to cost you so much money that most people don't do it. We are giving you the opportunity to buy into this database for a one-time fee of $99 for lifetime access, and the lifetime being the lifetime of the website, of course. And so that's why I'm so excited, especially with the timing of schools letting out, that gives us the time and the availability to expand our business beyond just school. So if you want to do this, simply click on the button at the bottom of this page and purchase it. You will receive login information, credentials, your email address, plus a password that you're going to select, and you're well on your way to have access to this database as well. And here's the best part. It comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Buy it. If it's not what you think it was or what you need it to be, simply request a refund and you get 100% of your money back within the first 30 days. No questions asked. So again, I don't know what else to tell you other than congratulations for finding the database that can literally make this coming summer the most profitable summer of your entire business history, and it's all because of technology. If you have any questions, shoot me up with a text, and I'll be more than happy to reply. Thank you.